Hey everybody, in this video we are looking at chapter 1, algebra 2, section 5, and we are doing number 23 in the exercises, dimensions of a parking lot. A parking lot has a rectangular area. Okay, so right away, I'm going to draw a picture of a rectangle and I'm going to label. Let's go, right? So, why didn't it fix for me? Okay, I guess that's a rectangle. Rectangular, and it has an area of, why is this writing like this? I don't like this at all. Let's fix this. Okay. Area equals 40,000 square yards. Right? And we know area. We should know automatically, just make a note to ourselves, it's length times width. The length is, L is 200 more than twice the width. So if I make this length and width, then length is 2W plus 200. So that's this, 2W plus 200, and that makes this W. Immediately I know I'm going to do length times width equals area, and I'm going to fill in 40,000. I'm going to fill in 2W plus 200 and W, and I'm probably going to solve for W, and then I can use W to figure out L, right? But let's keep reading. The length is 200 more than twice the width. Find the dimensions of the lot. Boom, there it is. Let's go. So area was 40,000, length width. I'm just going to write it a little nicer. W times 2W plus, oops, not 400, 200 equals 40,000. Now, it's important also, they might talk about like fencing around a parking lot and they might need perimeter. So always read carefully. Don't jump to conclusions. So I'm just going to write over here 2W squared plus 200W minus 40,000 is 0. Divide everything by 2. W squared plus 100W minus 20,000, right? And I'm already kind of seeing a C method. I'm going to use 200 and 100 because that gives me 4 zeros. That's 20,000. And I can get a positive 100 from that. So a negative and a positive. So let's go. We'll have W, W. And again, if you can't do the shortcut, please don't. I'll have plus 200 and minus 100. Common mistakes I notice are people try to take shortcuts and they see that, oh, 200 is positive and they think the answer has to be 200. But the W plus 200 gives you W equals negative 200. Pay attention. And then this gives you W equals 100. We could only have one right answer. In this case where the other one is negative, it's extraneous, it's a throwaway. So if W gives us 100, then what is L? Length. So the length is, we could fill that in right there. And what do we get? We get L equals 2 times 100 plus 200. So 200 plus 200. L is 400. So 400, so that's here and here. So, and those are yards. So what are the dimensions? Final answer will be length by width. Oops, that's not width. I was getting a little ahead of myself. Length by width is 400 yards squared by 100 yards squared. And there you go. That's your answer. That's the end. Check the playlist. I'm making videos on the exercises in the order based on your requests. And the more people want a certain example, the quicker I will get to that example. The playlist at the end screen right now on the screen should bring you to all the videos related to this chapter. Okay, that's it for now. Adios.